So, hello again, boys and girls. How's everybody doing? Q here. I have another horror story to share of my mechanical prowess. You see, I've decided that these things are just too expensive to pay for service. What the shops are charging is just ridiculous. So I decided to change the oil on this myself. So the first problem was finding the oil filter. And I don't know if you can see it down there or not, but it's tucked up in there pretty good. There it is. There's a drain plug. So I tried a bunch of different oil filter wrenches. None of them worked. So I had to buy the official BMW oil wrench for $33, something like that. That did work. The drain plug is just a Torx, so that wasn't too tough to deal with. So I have changed oil on dozens of motorcycles many times, and every single time I screw it up. It's unbelievable. So this time I was more careful than ever. I've got my oil pan. I took precautions with that. I take out the old oil filter. I remembered to turn the oil filter upside down in the pan so that the oil drains out of it, so I don't spill that all over the place. Put the new oil filter in, tightened it up, drain plug, 4 liters of oil, and then I started it up, and then all of the oil spilled out, all of it. 4 liters of oil on the driveway. So yeah, that sucked. That definitely did suck. I bought the oil from Sierra BMW. I'm not sure where they are, but they have an oil change kit, 4 liters of wonderful, clean, new BMW motor oil, the filter, and a crush washer, all in this kit for like 83 bucks, 85 bucks, something like that. Anyway, like I say, I turned the BMW on, and I hear this grinding sort of mechanical. It did not sound right. Let's just put it that way. It did not sound good. So I turned it off. I looked down, and I'm in a lake of brand new fresh oil. So how did it happen? Well, when I took off the old oil filter, I didn't notice, because I put the oil filter upside down in the pan. What happened was the O-ring on the old oil filter was still stuck up in the motorcycle. So then I put the new oil filter in, and you had rubber O-ring on rubber O-ring. And then once I turned the bike on, the oil pressure just blew right through those 2 O-rings. You need 1 O-ring and tighten it up, and that gives you metal on metal plus the rubber. So yeah, I'm just a freaking idiot, and it happens every single time. It's like it gets worse and worse and worse every time I change my oil. But I'm not giving up. I hit this with some detergent and gave it a scrub. I don't have any oil dry. I'm buying some of that, because with my track record, I'm gonna need it. And that's about it. So I've got a BMW sitting here that's got no oil in it at all. So I ordered another oil kit from Sierra. Should be here in a couple days. But this is why you need more than 1 motorcycle, guys, especially if you're a moron like me. So that's the story. I don't know what to tell you. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.